Gedo mar udi manengo gini piny ma itimo kod piny owacho medo kelo lokruok e gwenge mathoth. Kar dak ma Limuru kod Ngong, Rowere ma pod nitie tiegruok to kod mago mosetieko somo e yore mag gedo, stima kod tudo pi ni kod mor ahinya ka kuonde gedo gi koro miyogi yuto ma pile ka pile ma ibiro tok jumbe 2. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne osidho rowere mahingo 5,000 mane owacho ni dhi yudo nafas kata thuolo ma medo tiegre kuonde mag gedo mag piny owacho.
We need experience to get better in every profession. So this is a stepping stone to my career. Like from this we can manage to apply for better positions, and also at the moment in site, like we are meeting professionals who we talk with, and they can help us get better in our careers. Yes.
Okay, I think it is a good experience, since whatever we are learning here we'll be able to apply it after the internship, and also be able to get registered as professionals.
And being part of this internship program has helped me a lot, and this is in putting practice for what we learned in the class out here in the field, especially in my field of community engagement and community impact assessment. It has helped me a lot to get to the real thing and deal with people in terms of how this project will affect their lives and the reception of people with this project. I believe it's a good stepping stone to help us in